Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It is sunny and bright out today, so I figured we'll get to doing some of this priming on this car. I don't know how far I'll get, but I'm gonna try my best to get as much of it done. The car has been sanded down already, most of it, so I'm just gonna go over it with a scuffing pad, scuff it up a little bit, and then start laying some primer on it and see how far we get. I'm not worried about door jams and anything like that. Since the car's going back to black, I don't really gotta touch any of that, just obviously the areas that are red and will be seen. So set you guys up on a tripod, and then we will go ahead and start sanding it down and shooting some primer. So before we start this video, guys, if you can do me a favor, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. We got a lot of stuff happening and we're pushing to get this car done and at the track. So show me you guys want to see that by smashing the like button and subbing to the channel. So let's get to it. Alright, so as you guys saw, I went ahead and, you gonna see me? Oof, there we go. As you see, I went ahead and did this little quarter section here. I'm gonna do sections at a time so we don't get too ahead of ourselves. So everything, I just sanded down. I went ahead and wiped it and everything. So now what we'll do is go ahead and just prime this area here and then move on to another section and just keep going like that. So we'll do this quarter and we'll probably move on to like the roof or something, the door, and then the other side, since the fenders and stuff are already done. Alright, so we got this done. Remember, guys, this is not a how-to or how you should paint your car or anything. This is just because I'm tired of the car being red and looking like crap. So I figured we'll just go ahead and get it all in primer at least, and it'll look better. This is just the first coat at that. There's still, if you get close, there's certain areas that I gotta hit. There is a couple of runs in certain areas. It's pretty windy out, so the wind is blowing. But I'm trying to get coverage at least on the majority of it, at least one good coat. And then we can go over it again, but a better coat. But this will work for what we're trying to do, at least to get it all one color, you know, all in primer. But still obviously got this areas up here, the other section of this roof, the door. I'm not doing the hood just because I still got a few things I got to do to the hood. I want to try and fix these where it's like, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but from when the hood flew open, it's bent here. So I want to cut the skeleton out from underneath, see if I can pop these up. I don't want to have fresh paint on this or primer or anything, when I do that, and then it chips the paint or damages the paint. So I'd rather do that first before we go ahead and prime the hood. But yeah, this door, this pillar here, the other half of this hood or the roof, this door here, and this bit of primer or pillar here as well. And then I got to get some tape where I can fold this back where we can get down in here. But for the most part, the back half is pretty much in primer. So yeah, I got to sand the door still, sand this. I haven't hit this because like this happened here. I don't want to get primer on this molding since it's new. So I want to back tape this, and then we can hit this here. But I still do want to hit the other half of that roof, this door, this one, like I was saying, up here. We'll probably stop like we did over there around this area right here. Cheap paint job. It's a race car. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so the roof is primed except for this area around here. Like I said, I don't want to get this weather strip and paint it, but yeah, there. So I still gotta get tape and mask around this so I can hit those areas and stuff. All we got left now is this door and this door, and then these areas. Like I said, not worrying about the hood, and I'm not worrying about the bumper yet because we got stuff to do on this bumper before I paint it. Pretty much how it's gonna be. I'm not gonna paint the doors actually either yet, just because I want to get these door handles out. But easier to get the door handles out obviously when the door is cut and I can't get the window up or down to get to the handles to get them out until I get the glass out, which I gotta cut this first to get the glass out, and then I can do the doors. Another reason why I don't want to cut it is because, as you can see on this door, it's already cut, but I still got to cut more out of this door, and I got to get these out. And normally when you try and get these out, you get on the door, you ding the door up or whatever. So like I said, like with the hood, I don't want to chip the paint. So even though it's not the best paint job that we're doing on this thing, but yeah, I want to get these off first, and all this mechanism in here, like all this shit here, off before we do the doors. But we got about 90% of the car done. Pretty much the whole body's done except for the pillars and the bumper, hood, and doors. But everything else, the fenders and the trunk and quarters and roof is done. Just the parts that I didn't do is what really can't do right now until I do other things that need to be done to them, like the rear bumper. I got some stuff I want to do on it. The part should be in here hopefully today for that that I need for the bumper. Then we can go ahead and do the bumper stuff after. Then we can do the bumper stuff, then we can get the bumper painted after that. But yeah, we're making progress, guys. We're making progress. Sorry about the lighting. It's really bright out, so when you stand a certain way, the lighting like dims on it. But yeah, progress, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. I hope you guys are stoked that we're getting things done on this car. If so, please smash that like button. If you're not yet subbed to the channel, please consider subscribing. We got a lot of going on, and we're gonna get a lot done the month. We're gonna daily upload to the end of the year, guys. So make sure you have notifications on so you guys are notified when we post a video and you guys don't miss a video. Share these videos and everything, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out and God bless.